Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful hexagonal shadow box come gift box using thick cardstock, and you can use this as a photo frame, or you can convert this as a gift box, or also you can use this as a shadow box. So I have created here a gift box. You can just open it like this, and inside this I have put lots of chocolates and one small gift, and the depth is all up to you how deep you want to make the box. And can you see I have created here 1 centimeter depth. Isn't it very nice and unique idea? And you can simply close the lid like this by tying the knot. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking 7 centimeter radius, and using my rounder I am making one circle using 300 GSM blue color cardstock, and then using same radius I am dividing the circle in 6 equal parts to make the hexagon shape. Now joining all these markings. Then I am just simply cutting the hexagon shape. So the base of the box is ready. Then to make shadow box panel, here I am taking this sheet which is 7 by 5 centimeters, just rotating it like this, and from left side I have creased at 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. Can you see the creases? Now folding all the crease marking and burnishing it very well using bone folder. Then we just need to connect the first part with the last one to make the pipe kind of shape. Similarly, we need total 3 pipes of the same procedure. Now for another remaining 3 sides I am taking one more sheet which is 7 by 5 centimeters, and again from left side I have creased at 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet, and can you see the crease lines? So from the topmost edge I am marking from left and right sides at 0.7 centimeters or 7 millimeters. Similarly on the second crease line again I am marking at 0.7 centimeters from both the sides. Then joining these markings like this, and diagonally we need to connect it with the third crease line. Similarly repeating on left side. Cutting the pencil markings. And then we just need to fold all the creases, burnish it very well. Then connecting the first part with the last one, and you will get this kind of shape. So again we need total 3 pipes of the similar shapes. So all 6 pipes are ready. Now taking back the base, and one by one I am going to connect all these pipes with the base to construct the shadow box. We just need to tuck the pipes inside each other. and the frame is completely ready. It's looking very amazing. Now to give nice finishing from outside, I am taking here dark blue color strip which is 1 centimeter in height, and width doesn't matter. It should be long enough to cover it from all the sides. Now I am adding glue and just putting it from outer side of the hexagonal shape. Stick it nicely, and this is completely done. Looking nice, crisp and more finished. Then to make lid, I have already created this hexagon shape using 7 centimeter radius, and now on one edge I am marking at 1 centimeter to create the panel so that we can stick this with the box. Now I am just cutting this shape. Erasing all pencil markings, burnishing this folding, and it will come like this on the box. Super duper easy. Then using 5.5 centimeter radius inside this lid hexagon, I am making one more hexagon shape. So we need to align the points of the hexagon just like the outer edge, so that we'll get exact hexagon shape inside the outer one, joining all the markings. And then I am cutting this inner hexagon using paper cutter or X-Acto knife. Erasing pencil markings quickly, and this is done. Then I have just added double-sided Tacki tape inside this frame, removing the liners and sticking one hexagon shape of the OHP sheet or acetate sheet. Burnish it nicely and adding one more small strip with this in opposite side of the panel and sticking one piece of ribbon with this so that we can make the closure of the box. So this is done. Similarly, I am attaching the ribbon with the base box, covering this with one more hexagon shape to make the box more sturdy, and it will also hide the ribbon. Now taking back the lid, and for the finishing from inside, I am attaching blue color strips like this. And then it's time to connect the lid with the box. Like this, it will work very nicely. Now decorating the lid from the edge using this beautiful border punch or border die cut. If you don't have this kind of border, you can also decorate the edge using strips or ribbon, or you can also attach stones or half cut pearls on the edge. And the beautiful base box is ready. It's looking very stunning. Now exactly in the center of the lid I am attaching this beautiful paper doily. This die is by Dress My Craft. Using double-sided tacky tape I have stuck it on the lid, and to give the finishing from inside as well I am attaching one more same doily cutout, aligning with the previous one and sticking it like this. Then it's time to do the quilling work. So here I am taking 1/8 strip of white color and half strip of medium blue color and making one tight teardrop shape. Similarly, I have already prepared some more. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color and making one tight coil. I have already prepared some more tight coils. And for the last tight coil I have used one strip of dark blue color. Now taking back the box, and I am going to stick the bigger tight coil in the center. Around this I am adding light blue color tight coils. Then taking 2 strips of white color in 3 mm and just wrapping it around this. Then I am adding teardrop shapes. And then wrapping 2 strips of light blue color around this. Then on each joint of this doily flower shape I am adding these dark blue color tight coils, which are made using half strip. My one strip length is 45 centimeters, so according to that you have to take yours. And this is completely done. So the box is ready, and inside this I am going to put some chocolates around the edge. These are simple candies. And in the center I am adding this beautiful pair of earrings to gift it to my friend. And simply you can close the box by tying the knot with the help of ribbon. And in this way you can make different colors of the boxes, and also you can change the depth. Here I have taken the 1 centimeter depth, but if you wish you can take the bigger size of the depth according to your requirements. And also you can convert this into photo frame or the shadow box. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.